Hello guys, I'm Kornel. We are here on Eicma 2019 and I want to introduce you here a little bit about the maintenance area we have. We represent here many brands, as you know. For maintenance, it's really for the dealers who are working with the service. So it's including tires, oil, brake pads, electrical parts, which you can do in your daily workshop. It's really important for Parts Europe. We focus on that a lot. I think many dealers are appreciating that you can find everything on one stop. You don't need to search with different lines. You go online, you select a bike with a fitment, and you see the right parts from the air filter to the oil filter to whatever fitment. Plus, it's also really important, lifts for the service you can use. So lifted up the bikes, tire tools, motion pro items, which are just one name I would mention, but actually we have tons of brands we can do online and search for it, check the prices, check the availability, and order as much as you can.